Hello, I am Supriya Sanjay Rote from Government Polytechnic Ratnagiri. Today we will discuss something about the training program which was held by Government Polytechnic Hingoli, and the topic of the training was communication skills and personality development. So in this training of 1 month we learn lot of things which are helpful in our professional life and in day to day life also. So in first week, the title of the first week is the communication skill. In this week, Dr. Gaurav Thakurkar told us about the communication barrier, also told us different styles of verbal communication, and also how to build and improve our own communication skills. These are taught in this week. And in second week, the title of this week is the non-verbal communication and writing skills. This is the most important sessions for us because in this session Dr. Shabbir Parmar taught us about the use of non-verbal communication styles in different situations, also how to use relevant facial expressions in various situations. Also, Mr. Jigar Ambani taught us how to prepare the reports and for various types of event conducted. Also taught us how to draft memorandums and minutes of meeting, then how to write Gmail. The etiquettes of Gmail writing are very much helpful for us because in this Gmail writing session we learn what are the etiquettes of senders, what are the etiquettes of receivers. We got the idea and which are helpful in our professional life. Then in the third week, the title of the third week is the motivation and behavioral styles. In this week, Dr. Madhvi Sawant teaches about how to build the qualities of good team leader, how to build self-confidence, and also we get knowledge of how to build emotional intelligence for various situations. So we get the stage daring and leadership in this week. Then the title of the fourth week is personality development and public speaking. In this week, Dr. Utpal Ganatra taught us how to build our own personality, which is very much important in our professional life and day-to-day life also. Also, Miss Mirza Firoza Beg taught us how to become a good public speaker, how to develop stage daring, what are the gestures of our body, how to behave our body in speaking in public. These are the 4-week programs which are held by Government Polytechnic Hingoli. Overall, all the FDP program was very nicely arranged. We learn a lot of things from the FDP which are helpful in our professional life and personal life also. Due to this, we get different knowledge of how to communicate with the peoples, what are the skills, what are the etiquettes behind that. Also, we get the knowledge of how to write the Gmails, how we use the non-verbal communications which are very much important. Also, we get the knowledge of behavioral styles, and also we get the knowledge of how to speak in public in front of audience. So this FDP was very much helpful for us. So Government Polytechnic Hingoli held nicely this program. They should conduct this type of program in future. Thank you.